ever recorded something amazing, just to find out your footage looks like this? Flickering lights, flickering screens, flickering slow motion shots completely ruined. Today, I'll show you how to remove flicker in one click using Filmora's new Deflicker tool. This feature is a lifesaver. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. So why does flicker happen? Most LED lights and screens refresh at a certain frequency, like 50 or 60 Hz. When your camera's shutter speed doesn't match that frequency, you get that ugly flicker or banding. This usually happens when filming indoors, time-lapse, LED signs, or slow motion shots. And fixing it manually in editing is almost impossible. Filmora just added a brand new tool called Deflicker that detects and removes flicker automatically, and the best part? It works on both screens and light flicker, with no color grading knowledge needed. How to use Deflicker. Step 1. Import your footage. Start Filmora and create a new project. Then import the one you want to use to remove the flickering issue and then place it onto the timeline. As you can see, this footage is flickering. Let's fix it. Step 2. Apply Deflicker. Select your footage onto the timeline, go to the video settings and under Basic, scroll down, and you will get an option of flicker removal. Click on Generate, and within a few seconds, you will have flicker removed footage. Let's play the footage. As you can see, the flickering issue is gone. Step 3. Adjust sensitivity. You can even use the intensity slider to adjust the deflicker intensity. Choose between weak, normal, and strong. Intensity adjustment depends on the intensity of the flickering in your footage. Step 4. Preview and export. Once you are satisfied with the result, hit the export and you are done. Before and after showcase. Here are a before and after. On the left, annoying refresh lines and flicker. On the right, clean, stable, smooth visuals without losing detail or brightness. Use cases. This feature is perfect for tech reviewers filming monitors, cinematographers shooting indoors, vloggers in cafes and offices, anyone filming under LEDs or tube lights. So if flicker has ever ruined your shots, now it doesn't have to. Try out Filmora's new Deflicker feature and keep your footage clean and professional with zero effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.